In the face of betrayal, disrespect, abandonment, and other acts of injustice, Jesus Christ asks us to forgive our neighbor. Discover a pathway from brokenheartedness to healing in Forgiving as Unity with Christ by Dr. Robert Enright. In these pages, the founder of the International Forgiveness Institute uses biblical stories to look at forgiveness in general and then from a Catholic perspective, including loving others through our intimate connection with Christ and seeking forgiveness ourselves. Through exercises, journaling, and meditations, Dr. Enright helps you contemplate God's love for you and draw closer to Jesus Christ and His Catholic Church. Forgiving as Unity with Christ by Dr. Robert Enright, the latest release from EWTN Publishing. Now available at EWTNRC.com or call 1-800-854-6316.